Good. Tulog pa si Pugi. Tulog-tulogan lang yan, guys. Gising na. Say hello sa Pastor. Say good morning. Ano say? Nagtatago. Say good morning, guys. Nasa labas po tayo. Marami pong tiny home dito. Marami po kaming neighbors. Anyway, marami po tayong coins dahil maglalaba po ako. Kailangan kasi magbayad pag maglalaba dito. So, operated by coins lang po. So, yes, on the way po tayo doon sa washing machine. Different building po siya. Wala po yung washing machine sa inside ng tiny home. So, malapit lang naman po kung saan kami. So, maglalakad lang po tayo. So, marami po kayo talagang makikita na mga tiny home dahil pinagpaparintahan nila ito. Malaki talaga yung tiny home. Enough na po sa isang family. Last week pala ay natapos na po ang aming pamimitas ng mandarin. Although this year, it's been really tough po talaga sa mga tag-harvesting dahil walang masyadong bunga ang mga prutas ngayon. May mga year po talaga na very loaded ang mga bunga. So, may mga year din hindi masyado marami ang bunga. Kaya makahirap makadami. Pero although enough naman nakikita kami, maka-wages po kami, earning wages. So, yes, until next year na naman po kami mamimitas ng mandarin or oranges. So, hindi nyo po kami makikita sa mga latest vlog soon. Wala na pong mandarin. So, another fruits na naman ang aming ihahunting sa pamimitas. So, ito po talaga ang realidad ng pamimitas, hindi po permanently ang trabaho. So, it's been a week na wala kaming trabaho, hindi kami namimitas. So, we are looking forward to another farm. So, kailangan na naman maghahanap ng trabaho. Ito talaga ang harvesting. Every prutas ay natatapos yung season. At continue po tayo dahil maglalaba po ako. On the way po tayo doon sa washing machine. That's your clothes. He recognizes clothes.
The washing machine.
Huh?
Put that in the washing machine.
That's already washed, darling.
Turn the light.
Okay, turn on the lights. Now we're gonna do for washing. Is that your clothes? That's already cleaned. Isang labahan, $4. Marami po tayong coins. Pina-exchange ko na yan sa Opay kasi kailangan every week naglalaba si Maria Lasin. Sometimes gumagastos ako ng $8 every week sa paglalaba. Si Sylvester, very excited. Ilalagay daw niya yung coins. Ang maliit na kamay dito, nahihirapan. So, $1 each po ito, equal $4. Ay, normally, nilalagay ko muna yung sabon bago ko i-push yung coins para lalabas yung tubig. Si Sylvester has been very helpful for today's vlog. Ayan, i-push mo lang Sylvester. Sylvester is not strong enough. Sabi ko, push mo lang Sylvester. He's trying his best. So, I will show you Sylvester. That's it. Sylvester ay napakabait. Siya na talaga ang naglagay ng mga damit sa washing machine. Actually, mostly mga damit niya ito. But at least he's enjoying. At iiwan muna natin yung washing machine dahil babalikan lang po natin yun mamaya. So, babalik na po tayo sa bahay. And it's playtime. Ito po yung sa beranda namin. Dito naglalaro si Sylvester. Pag naboboard na po siya sa aming cabin, lalong-lalo na po pag hindi po muna kami lalabas. Dahil maaga pa po. Kaya maglalaro muna siya dito. Binili ko po ito na scooter about a month ago. Sobra talaga nagustuhan ni Sylvester. Hindi pa po siya marunong talaga mag-balance. Pero panay practice po talaga siya nearly every day. So at least may pinagkakabisihan siya while nasa bahay siya. So one thing maganda yung tiny home ay may veranda po siya. Tapos gustong gusto ko yung floor kasi wood po siya. So while wala pong harvesting, busy po talaga full time sa pagiging ina kang Sylvester. So there we go again. Meron siyang Percy, yung Trent Thomas po na binili ko with batteries. Actually, binili ko po yan yung birthday niya. Present niya po yan galing sa akin at super favorite niya talaga si Percy ba or si Thomas ba ito, nakalimutan ko na.
Hi guys, I get this is a computer and hi guys, I'm in a channel and this is my helmet. Hi guys, this is my helmet. This is my helmet I wear. And wear this. Daily wear it. Then I wear it. Yes. I'm Daddy going to wear this and on in top. This is my poncho. And yeah. Hi guys. I'm going to say this. This is my poncho. And I wear my helmet in my vest. And Daddy is his best. Daddy is his best. Tease, 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 tease.
Sylvester, did you went to the dentist today?
Yes.
Sylvester went to the dentist today. Show me your teeth.
Yes.
Show me. Remember the dentist count your teeth? You love this helmet? Who buy this helmet?
Daddy, Mommy.
Daddy and mommy?
Daddy and Mommy buy it.
Yeah. Did you have fun yesterday? Remember you went for ride? Which one do you like it? The bouncy ball or the ride?
Bouncy ball.
The bouncy, not the ball actually. It's just in trampoline, aren't you? You're bouncing. Do you like it? You wanna go back there? Really? Wow. Are you pogi?
Yes.
Hello. Would you sing?
Nah. Yes.
Go sing.
Nah. Chase. It's Chase, Mom.
Really? How about that?
And Willow.
How is it?
Willow.
Okay.
Willow.
Hindi ko masyadong
Say
memorize.
Willow.
Rubber?
Willow. And this is Macho.
Who is it?
And he goes fight truck.
And it's lunchtime. Request po ito ni Sylvester. Sabi niya, gusto daw niyang kumain ng noodles. Kaya pinaglutuan ko din siya. Siyempre, nilagyan ko po ng maraming gulay.
Thank you, Mommy.
At ito pala ang mga ginawa namin last week. Dahil 1 week wala kaming trabaho. Kaya nakapag-bonding time talaga kami.
Daddy, go and stay there. I'm gonna push her.
Roller coaster? Oh my God!
Are you ready? Pay now for the next ride.
Tawag po nito sa Australia ay marketing show. Kung baga sa Pilipinas, parang piyesta. Once a year po siya. Makikita natin marami pong paninda. At pagpasok po namin, ice cream agad ang nakita ni Sylvester. Kaya bumili po ako ng isa. Nagbayad lang po ako ng $9. At syempre, very excited po talaga si Sylvester. Pareho po kami may hat dahil mainit ngayon. Can mommy have some?
I get a stomach.
You like it, darling? What a lucky boy. Pagkatapos ni Sylvester kumain ng ice cream, may nakita siya dito yung parang peryahan. As in, super excited po siya. Kailangan po namin bumili ng ticket. Pero tingnan niyo po to guys, sobrang excited to sa mga bata. Ang ganda po. After nakabili ako ng ticket, ito na nga guys, si Sylvester nasa line-up na. Pwede na siyang pumasok sa bouncy slot. At nasa itaas na si Sylvester. Woohoo! Super excited. Parang ang sarap maging bata ulit. At second round po tayo. Super lucky na bata na ito. Dahil halos talaga as in mga pangbata po dito. Kaya susulitin po talaga ni Sylvester. And Sylvester loved the shape. Wala na po silang wool. Nakashave na sila. And that's all for today's video update guys. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. And don't forget to subscribe and share our video. Mabuhay! Salamat po!
Riding in a rocket boat, riding in spooky heavy deep in the car, so hungry. A bed car, in a bed car. Bed car, in a bed car, in the bed car, in a bed car, bed car, in a 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 bed car. On the bed car, on the bed car, on the bed car, on the bed car.